In continuation to my morning briefing to the media, the girl's dead body has been examined by the police surgeon. Post-mortem has been conducted. Yes, post-mortem has confirmed that the girl has been sexually assaulted, and then she has been murdered by smothering. We have preserved the dead body. We have rounded up nearly around 15 to 20 laborers working there, and our investigations and interrogations are on. At the Vasco police station, Vasco police on behalf of state has registered an offence of sexual assault and murder under the sections of 376, section of 302 IPC, sections of POCSO Act and sections of Goa Children Act. And we have taken up the investigation very seriously.
Madam,
Our interrogations are on. Our interrogations are on. All these workers who were at that particular night residing in the under construction site in the rooms. Around 20. Around 20.
Investigations are going on.
Investigations are going
on. Rape and murder is confirmed.
Rape and murder is confirmed.
Murder due to strangulation?
Murder due to strangulation and suffocation.